gardeners, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. My name is Emmanuel Arce, well known as the Ultimate Gardener. In today's exciting spawning video, we have yet another collaboration with Andrew Nanoff from Gardening Made Easy. Andrew's an amazing gardener, you guys, only 12 years old, and he knows a ton about gardening. His channel is full of informative and educational videos and content, and so if you want to go ahead and check his channel out, his media links is down below for you guys to check out, as well as his channel is going to be up here for you guys to check out. Make sure to go show him some support, subscribe, and check out his videos because they're very, very good. And so in today's collaboration, he's going to be giving you guys 5 tips on how to grow sunflowers. Sunflowers are very pretty in the garden. They're very easy to grow, but there's a few things you need to know on how to grow them. So if you want to know all 5 tips Andrew's going to give you, here's Andrew now.
Hi everybody, I'm so happy to be on the Ultimate Gardening channel for the second time. In this video, in this little clip, I'm just going to show you 5 tips how to grow your sunflowers. You can see like right behind me. So let's just jump right in. The first tip is number 1, like the one most important. They need a lot of sun. Sunflowers cannot go a long time without sun because they're called sunflowers. So I would recommend you give them 6 to 8 hours of sun each day. And also a little fun fact about them is that their heads face the sun. That's just the way they grow. So the next tip is that you need to give them water frequently. When the soil is dry, you can feel your finger 2 inches deep, and if it's dry, then give them water because they have such big, long stems that are really tall that they need a lot of water. So that's the second tip. The second tip is if you're a beginner, don't be startled by the soil quality of your garden because sunflowers are like the best for poor soil. They like take off in it because they're native to like poor soils or something. They're native to Russia, which has like clay soil. So just like they're really great for beginners, and I would totally recommend them if they're gonna be your first time gardener and the first one to start from seed, and they do not need that good of soil. They will thrive in perfectly bad soils. The fourth tip is a very important one. You have to be prepared to fight with pests because sunflowers have huge leaves, and all the pests love to get to them. The birds peck the holes out of my leaves. I don't use any chemicals for the birds, but with the other. Okay, so I had to move to a new place because my computer almost died. So for the next tip, I'm almost the last. I think I'll do. I don't know which one I was on, but 2 more. Is that you need to protect them during windstorms, especially when they're in an exposed area because they're so tall that they're gonna completely flop down. Your whole sunflower patch is gonna go bad. Like it's bad because if you grow them closer together, you'll get smaller blooms, but they'll kind of support each other, so you don't have to buy supports for each sunflower. So that's a good thing. And then we'll move on to the next tip. This one is important too. Make sure to grow them when it's your season, when there's no frost, because they will completely die. They would die right away if they're in the frost. Kind of like trying to grow tomatoes in the snow kind of thing. So start your sunflower seeds a few weeks after your last frost, your 100% last frost. So for us, we're in zone 10B. So that's in like not June, but like March, almost like there. But most people, they start them in like a little bit before June after their last frost because it's kind of heartbreaking to think like, oh, I'm going to start them 1 week before there's no frost anymore, and then the frost comes in and it knocks down all your seedlings. So that's just a little tip to show you guys that remember this, you need to start your sunflowers after the frost. So that's all the tips for this video. Thank you so much for Ultimate Gardening for inviting me for another collaboration on this channel. Make sure to go subscribe to him, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.